Welcome to an extraordinary collaboration where community, spirit, dedication, and expertise come together to create a lasting impact. This is the inspiring story of Solid Rock Carpenters, Appalachian Service Project, Home Depot Foundation, and Mark Eric Benner Architects, uniting their efforts to build 16 affordable homes for families in need, including military families, in just 3 short hours. The Appalachian Service Project, together with the Home Depot Foundation, took on the monumental challenge of creating 16 home packages. Partnering with Solid Rock Carpenters and Mark Eric Benner Architects, this endeavor stands as a triumph of residential architecture, bringing positive change to communities in need. Here's how they made it happen. Our story begins with a previous partner, Appalachian Service Project, and their unwavering mission to provide affordable and dignified housing to deserving families in need. ASP's stated mission is to make existing homes warmer, safer, and drier. However, the demand for quality, affordable homes has grown beyond the existing housing stock, creating a pressing need for new homes. Adding to our mission is the challenge to create these homes with elevated environmental performance, qualifying for incentives and improving their performance and reducing the operating costs for the homeowners. With several successful events in our history, ASP reached out in early 2024 to share their intention to build 16 homes for their family recipients in Kentucky and Tennessee. The event, our third together, is planned for the first week of June. This timeline allows only a short 3.5 months to organize, plan, and prepare for the event. This is where Solid Rock Carpenters steps in as partner to support in the creation of these new and impactful homes. SRC relies on good-hearted volunteers with a broad range of experience, construction skills, and ages to deliver high-quality, efficient, and affordable homes. The Solid Rock community craves a challenge and loves to get their hands dirty to fulfill our mission. The challenge to build 16 homes requires a larger team, so Mark Eric Benner Architects joined the effort along with the Home Depot Foundation to round out the roster. The Home Depot Foundation organized this as a team-building event and fundraiser, culminating in the service project to build the homes. Our project challenges include translating ASP plans into framing instructions, determining components and quantities, securing the factory and arranging for raw materials, prototyping home models, units H and J to ensure accuracy, prepare wall components and print plate layout labels, apply wall plate labels and make wall components, stage materials for transport materials to White Sulphur Springs, West Virginia, prepare the build site and stage the materials, have the volunteers build walls for the 16 homes, load completed walls and materials onto the 6 semi-trailers, transport 8 homes to Kentucky and 8 homes to Tennessee, clean and restore the event site to its original condition. Our journey begins with meticulous design and production planning. Translating ASP stock plans into volunteer-ready instructions is the key to our success. Each detail is carefully crafted to ensure clarity, efficiency, and quality. There are 2 models, units H and J, both 24 feet by 36 feet, and providing 3 bedrooms, a bathroom with laundry, kitchen, and a living room. These compact plans pack a lot of function into a scant 864 square feet. With the designs in place, the next step is analyzing quantities and securing all the necessary materials and tools. This crucial task involves purchasing lumber, fasteners, and insulation used by the local Illinois volunteers to create the needed wall components. We process 2x4 and 2x6 wall framing lumber, engineered lumber for headers, and rigid foam insulation for the headers. We use high-quality building materials and tools to ensure homes will be both durable and comfortable. Interestingly, we learned that 2x6 studs are not commonly available in the Appalachian markets. So our local Home Depot store volunteers scoured the local stores and scavenged enough studs to build all 16 homes, plus a couple more. We received these materials and shipped them along with the rest of our prepared components. Our work is often performed in parking lots or open fields. For this project, we are fortunate to have the use of a vacant industrial building in Mount Prospect, Illinois, generously donated by Nicholas & Associates. This space, affectionately known as the factory, becomes the hub of our operation, where layout and preparation take place over the course of 8 weeks, mostly evenings and weekends. At the factory, volunteers prepare building materials and components with precision. We cut wall plates top and bottom, longest lengths first. Shorter lengths are taken from the cutoffs from the longer walls. Crews then turn their attention to the wall framing components, including headers and wall intersection. Everything is prepared such that they can be readily utilized during the build day event. This stage is vital for ensuring everything is ready for the big day. This effort is what makes it possible to build the walls for 16 homes in only 3 hours. Once prepared, the materials were carefully checked and rechecked to ensure all is ready and organized for the event. Our logistics specialists and professional trades work together to load the 3 trailers with the wall components as well as the model home walls. With days to spare, trucks arrive in sequence and our forklift operators expertly load the trailers, careful to balance the loads for safe transport. We collectively hold our breath as our blood, sweat, and tears leave the factory and make their way from Mount Prospect, Illinois to White Sulphur Springs, West Virginia. Each trailer also carries a GPS tracker, just in case we need to chase down a wayward delivery. You can imagine our collective sigh of relief to learn that everything arrives as expected. All that remains is for our Solid Rock team members to make their way to join the fruits of our labor. Most make the 10-hour drive, while some fly. As it turns out, driving was the faster method. On site, the event build location was meticulously prepared and materials were staged for easy access. The preparation is key to a smooth and efficient build day. The Tool Bank, a dedicated supplier of tools for volunteer events, provided essential support, ensuring all volunteers had the equipment they needed. This is crucial as the nearest Home Depot is more than 2 hours' drive. Everything is in place as build day arrives and over 300 volunteers join together to build the walls of the 16 homes. The energy is palpable as everyone worked side by side, transforming raw materials into the framework of new homes. Once the walls are completed, they are loaded onto trucks and transported to their final destinations in Kentucky and Tennessee. This phase ensured that homes would soon become a reality for deserving families. After the build, the site is thoroughly cleaned and restored to its original condition. This attention to detail ensures that we leave the community as we found it, ready for future projects, and increases the likelihood that we'll be invited back for future events. Every step of this journey demonstrates the power of collaboration, planning, and dedication, bringing us closer to the goal of providing quality, affordable homes for families and communities in need. The energy is palpable as walls rise and dreams take shape before our eyes, a testament to what can be achieved when hearts and hands unite for a common cause. Volunteers arrive in 6 tour buses dressed in Home Depot orange and make their way to the event grounds. The day begins with an opening ceremony featuring the Home Depot team cheer and an overview of the day's events. With spirits high, the volunteers disperse to their assigned workstations and begin building walls. While the building crews frame walls, my team erects the models to illustrate the completed homes. The field buzzes with frenzied activity as completed walls are carried to awaiting semi-trailers where local laborers assist in safely loading the walls. As the build stations complete their tasks, they disassemble their work platforms and stack those materials to be loaded along with the completed walls to be used at their final destination. Nothing is wasted. Every design and material choice supports the delivery and assembly of the completed homes for their new and grateful families. It is truly marvelous to witness the culmination of significant efforts and accomplishments, these high-performing volunteers stepping outside of their comfort zone and leaving their egos on the bus for a greater purpose, a more impactful mission. In just 8 weeks, 5 organizations supported by more than 300 volunteers achieved the extraordinary, building 16 new and high-performance homes for deserving families, many of them military, in a short 3 hours. Often, the recipients face significant barriers to home ownership, making this achievement even more impactful. These homes represent more than just shelter. They symbolize hope and a brighter future. Participating in projects like this is incredibly rewarding on its own. However, past volunteers understand that the true reward is getting to know the recipient families who will transform these houses into homes. The connections made and the stories shared create lasting bonds and profound sense of community. This remarkable project showcases what can be accomplished when people come together with a shared purpose. The dedication, hard work, and compassion of everyone involved make a lifelong difference in the families' lives and their communities alike. These experiences transform the lives of volunteers and newly minted homeowners united in a common mission. They share a unique and cosmic bond. We invite you to learn more about this incredible project and others like it by visiting the Mark Eric Benner Architects website. A heartfelt thank you goes out to the Appalachian Service Project, Solid Rock Carpenters, the Home Depot Foundation, the Tool Bank, and PeopleSource for their invaluable contributions. If you're inspired by what you've witnessed, consider joining us as a volunteer or by making a donation to provide financial support. Links are provided in the description below. Your support can make a profound difference in the lives of families in need, helping to create more affordable housing and stronger communities. We hope that you are inspired and energized to take action. Together we can make the world a better place, one home at a time. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the story and were inspired to make a difference. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us continue to create compelling and informative content. We hope you enjoyed the story. Please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update from our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions, as well as any suggestions for future topics. Please share them in the comments below. Your feedback helps us improve and bring you the content you want to see. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. At Mark Eric Benner Architects, your architectural project is possible. Until next time, take care and keep dreaming big.